Hey there, Luke with Canix here. Today we're going to be covering an exciting new update to Canix's batch page on the manufacturing module that's expected to be released the week of March 10th. We have added a run tracker tab here to the batch module that will hold all active runs that are associated with the batch. This update allows you to see run outputs and inputs right from the batch page itself instead of having to click into each run to see all of the non-cannabis, the source cannabis, and the cannabis outputs that you are looking to create for each of your runs. Additionally, we have added a cost of run value here to each run that will show you at the batch level what each run costs to produce. Further, we have added an estimated quantity column here where we're able to delineate the estimated quantities we are looking to create for our outputs and we are looking to use in our run inputs across our source cannabis and non-cannabis items. These are collapsible, so if we add more than one run, we'll see them stacked as collapsed runs here, and we can open each run to see the details of the bill of material used and associated to this run that is hyperlinked to the bill of material itself, all of the run outputs that we have set up for this run. So right for this run we have set up, we have blueberry gummies. We've estimated that we're going to make 100. We haven't submitted this run yet, so we don't have the actual quantity versus the estimated quantity just yet. Next, we have all run inputs across our source cannabis delineated by this source cannabis icon and our non-cannabis delineated by this non-cannabis icon here with the estimated quantities that we have populated either from the bill of material or we have entered in ourselves. We now allow you to update your estimated quantities right from here. So let's say we're actually going to be creating 120 units of this gummy instead of 100. We can update 120 or go to 140. Can see that Canix saves it, and we do allow you to update your estimated input quantities proportionally if we have a bill of material associated. Instead of skipping, I'm going to update because I am going to be using more non-cannabis and source cannabis to create 140 each of these blueberry gummies versus 100. We can see we selected update, and Canix will update your run inputs proportionally. We can always put it back down to 100 as well. This estimated quantity can be updated whenever we would like. Once we go ahead to actually submit the run, we will then be able to track our actuals versus our estimateds. Here, the runs will look exactly the same. No update here has been made to the runs. We're going to select our source package and allocate quantity. And then we're going to go ahead and create our output tag. Let's say we're using tag 10166 instead here. Once we're ready to go ahead and submit, we can submit just like before. This run will be submitted. And now we'll have an actual quantity versus an estimated here. We'll have a cost of run associated with each of our runs. We had $43.76 from the non-cannabis and source package that was used, and that will be shown on the batch page in addition to the run page itself. I hope that this update to the batch page in Canix's manufacturing module is helpful, and thank you for watching.